What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Today we're going to discuss the loss of the Philippines against Brazil. They lost 71-60. In a way, it was still a Cinderella run, pero in my personal opinion, it was a bit disappointing to how we lost. Kai Soto didn't play just to set the stage up because of the bruised rib. We had initial reports na he
Who
would
was
play,
it?
but we had initial reports, pero I think it was syempre you have to ask in game time decision, kaya mo ba? And I think he said no. Um
And
let's first start off with our players, and then we're gonna do the full team review. So for the players first, I think we could first start with the cons since we lost. I think Japet Aguilar, Mario and I were talking about this throughout the duration of the game from first to fourth, and I think it was very glaring no third quarter that he's just not cut out for future iterations on the national team.
uh I think obviously we understand. We understand bakit siya nandun, 'di ba?
We
First of all,
understand, yeah, yeah.
wala si AJ, right? So AJ do not being able to play, so Japan had to come in.
To
Number
some
two,
extent, Malonzo din, wala. To
yeah,
some extent.
number two, bata ni Coach Tim. So he understands the system very well. And number three, yun nga, wala si Kai. So you'd expect nga extra minutes for Japet.
Mm.
And in the first half, hindi mo masyado makikita yung problems with it. Pero pagdating ng third quarter, yun nga. Um, yeah, medyo halatang pagod na rin, I guess you can say.
Yeah, in
Uh,
a way, pagod na rin.
yeah. And to be fair, they're allowed to be tired. I think they're
Mm.
very much allowed to be tired. The PBA rarely has players play um
Na ganito, no? Parang three
three
games in
games
four
in
days.
5 days, right?
Oo, 3 games in five
Super rare.
days.
Super rare.
Hindi
So,
talaga kasi, ano eh, it's Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sked ng PBA and never nila na
super rare yung
kino-compress.
paulit.
So, oh.
Yeah. Ayun. So, that has to play a factor into it. Number two is that um their last game against Georgia was kind of a tough one, I'd argue. Like, medyo napagod sila sa bandang dulo. I mean, medyo napagod sila kakahabol.
Mm.
And honestly, we could also just chalk this up to the fact na maybe we weren't expecting to get to this semifinal stage, right? I
What do you
think,
think?
like,
Like, sa preparation in terms of our opponents?
to be
Ganon?
fair,
More,
man, like, di ba may naglabas sila na parang topic na, article na
yeah,
parang,
na parang we didn't expect. We had our tickets already. Parang ganon,
yeah.
di ba?
So, maybe they weren't expecting to have to play 3 games,
Mm.
and that could have played a factor. Pero at the end of the day, pagod lang talaga sila, I guess. It wasn't even just Japet. I think, I
Marami,
think,
not just Japet. Marami,
I think even in
halos
the
lahat.
first half,
Buong team natin.
I think even in the first half, makikita mo medyo pagod na sila, right?
Mm.
Grabe yung start ni Dwight. Grabe yung start ni Dwight Ramos. Grabe yung game na ginawa ni JB. JB,
JB in first half, JB and Dwight sa first half
yeah,
were good,
JB and
really
Dwight.
good.
Gilmore was playing well as well in the first half, di ba?
Yeah, he has a 10 and 10.
Even Chris was defending like a madman in the
He
first
was
half.
defending Huertas properly nung
Yes,
first half.
yes. And then in the second half, I think it got a bit more physical. Naging mas physical siya for Gilas, di ba? And it kind of took them out of their game. What did they go on? They went on like a 13-0 run
13,
start,
15-0 run nga eh. Basta parang ganun, 13-0 run.
right?
Masama talaga yung start ng third. Yun yung ayaw mo talaga, especially in international play na against Brazil, number 12 in the world, di ba?
And ayun, well, to be fair, in the third quarter, it was you could see the world class ability ng Brazil. To be fair, man,
Mm.
I don't even think they played some of their other players. Raul Neto, I don't think got a single minute.
Oo nga, no,
Um,
wala nga si Raul Neto. Neto didn't play. Or not sure kung ano bang injury ni Neto. Yeah, Neto didn't play.
Neto didn't play. I don't know. I'm not sure if he's been playing anyway. And
Yeah, actually. Wait, let me check na. Sige, go lang.
then from there, like,
Yeah, he
but
didn't play against Cameroon. He only played in Montenegro. Wala siya I think may injury to. May injury to, siguro.
probably. And
Back-to-back games walang nilaro eh.
ayun, then nagka-errors din yung on Gilas' end, going on the screens, on
Mm-mm.
pass, not closing out the shooters, and then of course not rebounding the ball. So kitang-kita mo dito na medyo mamimiss mo si Kai.
You
Um,
really missed that, like Caboclo just heading to the rim like with
like
ease. And the offensive boards, right? Felicio and Caboclo,
rebounding
bro.
itself, and even just a post threat. or a lob threat.
Yes,
Kasi,
post and lob threat.
I mean, natin, hindi, Junmar is not a lob threat, di ba? Junmar
It's a
is not a
post
lob.
player. He's
Junmar is a
a
post.
dump it to the post eh.
Yeah, so if Junmar has the ball in the low post and Kai is in the game, he has a drop option who he can rely on if he throws it up kind of high. Diba? But in this game, yes, Japet can jump. Yes, Japet can dunk. Pero iba yung age has kind of caught up with him. Masasabi natin yun. And I think Japet also is coming off a bit of an injury din. So, um, kita-kita mo dito yung how much they miss Kai. Even Kai's IQ in terms of where to
Mm.
position himself. Kitang-kita mo dito.
Sanay na sa international play si Kai. So, that's
Yeah,
something na most people forget.
yep, exactly. Tapos, who else can we talk about? But going on to that, struggles continued, we could argue, for Calvin of Tana, right?
Yeah, it
It wasn't
continues.
his best, not his best showing internationally this year, right? I mean this OQT. Not his best showing. He did make some big shots, he did make some good defensive plays. Pero we know him to be a much better shooter than what he showed. So hopefully in the next iterations, I forgot how to pronounce it. Um,
Iteration.
iterations, yeah. In the sa mga susunod na iteration, we get a more dead shot Calvin of Tana.
Yes, more improvement talaga. We need a more consistent of Tana talaga.
Kasi, dude, if you see it naman, medyo same lang yung playstyle naman ng Brazil and Gilas eh. 'Di ba?
In a way,
I
medyo
see
naman.
it
Oo.
sort of in a sense na medyo parehas tayo ng skill level, not skill level. Medyo
Nautakan
parehas
lang ng
tayo
mga
ng
guards nila do.
step.
Nautakan lang ng mga guards. And sobrang nag-init si Huerta. So parang sa galing.
Yeah, I
NBA
mean,
talent pa rin eh. Hindi mo pwede yung parang sige
problem
saga ko.
is pinayagan nilang uminit siya. Alam mo yun?
Mm.
They kept,
Nakafocus na tayo masyado kay Caboclo eh.
wala naman yun, eh, putik.
Laki lang yung mahaba lang.
Ilan naman. Ayun. So nasusunog tayo ni Huertas, nasusunog
At
tayo
nung
ni
Hugo Santos, isa pa yun yung mga tres niya.
nasusunog tayo ni Lydell ba yun?
Ah, and ano din, Depola. That
Yeah,
Depola guy
hindi
also. Yung mga
Paula.
three si Depola.
Hindi Paula.
And Lidl, basta yun. Yung si
Yeah,
Leo Mendil pala. Mendil.
something like that.
Yeah,
Yung
Mendil.
shooters
No,
nila,
Mendil.
may shooters talaga.
Lucas Diaz din. Grabe, may shooting talaga. Pero
May
mababa lang
shooting,
yung 3-point shooting percentage nila.
may shooting
It's just
naman
the
talaga
timely
sila.
threes. Nakakaano lang. Timely lang yung tres talaga. Kaya parang, wow.
So, and at the same time, timely threes, and Gilas couldn't make any timely threes.
Mm.
And there was an opportunity. Down seven, cross court pass to Calvin of Tana, couldn't make the three-pointer. On the other
Yun yung
end,
corner, di ba? Yun yung left
yeah,
corner sana.
yep. And then on the other end, Huerta scores a layup. Yan yung mga
Nine.
big shot, yan yung mga shots na you needed to go in for you to have a chance, di ba? But at the end of the day, we've said it, grabe pa rin yung inabot nila this
Grabe pa
okay.
rin. Cinderella run pa rin naman.
Grabe pa rin yung inabot nila. Considering na they beat Latvia, number 6 in the world, who we can
Mm.
argue is the one probably moving on to
Yeah, I feel
the
like Latvia's gonna torch Brazil.
I also think Latvia is gonna touch Brazil. Uh we can argue the one's gonna move on to the Olympics. Georgia, a very winnable game. We just chose to not necessarily force it at the
Mm.
end, which is a very valid choice. And in this game in Brazil, we had it. Admittedly, we had it in that first half. Yes, the game isn't won in the first half. Pero kita mo doon na you can keep up, 'di ba? Kaya mong mag-keep up a bit more conditioning, a bit more better roster building siguro. And at the end of the day, it's about getting healthy for Gilas. Um you can't
Do you think
tell me
if he were healthy, we could have or no? It's too hard to tell rin as well.
AJ would have been
AJ could have changed, yeah,
AJ would have
the
been an
whole.
amazing pickup.
Mm.
AJ having AJ to defend the likes of Shengelia, the likes of
Kasi
Bitap,
nakaboklo nga rin talaga
the likes
sila
of
ni Kai.
Kabuk. Dude, and he's able
Kaboklo,
to rebound well.
Shegelia.
He's able
Mm.
to run out into the corners. And having AJ means you don't need to play Junmar this many minutes.
And Japet. No, I think Japet doesn't play without Edu.
No, no, no. My point is like,
Yeah.
yeah, but in terms of
Ah, yeah,
rotation,
rotation niya, yeah.
Junmar won't need to
Mapapressure si
play
Junmar.
30 plus minutes every game because you'll have AJ to rebound and to
Mm.
defend and even make some shots.
Yeah.
Jamie also, I forgot who replaced Jamie. Mason. Ayun,
Mason.
we
Well,
didn't
yeah,
really
yeah,
do
dito na
Mason. We didn't
yeah.
really do Mason, right?
Placeholder lang talaga si Mace.
But Jamie is a great defender. Jamie's a great decent shooter. And he understands Coach Tim's system well. So in that scenario, instead of having to play Calvin of Tana, who was struggling, you have the opportunity also to play Jamie, or you could even play both of them at the same time and have dual shooting, diba? So and then finally, you don't have Scotty.
Yeah.
And not having Scotty means you don't have a real true point guard. Chris Newsom did his gosh
He did
darn
his
hard.
best. Yeah, yeah.
Newsom, no, I'm not gonna. There's no shitting on Chris Newsom. He played the best defense out of everyone on Gilas, if you ask me, on the guards. Nagkataon lang na in this game,
Ito lang
uh,
talaga yung
iba yung guards.
natsyempohan na.
Yeah,
At magaling
because
na talaga guard sa Brazil. Magaling talaga ba guard sa Brazil?
I think this is the first game in OQT where the guards were the main problem, di ba? Kasi
Yeah, it
against
was Santos and
Latvia, di mo naman
Huertas.
problema guards, di ba? Problema mo dun, wings. Against
Georgia's
Georgia,
the front line, front court.
yeah, yung big men. You're not worried about guards. Pero ayun, this is the first time it's a guard heavy team and a wing heavy shooting team. And this is where we saw that maybe where we be lacking defensively. But Chris Newsom played absolutely incredible for the first two games.
CJ Perez, bro, I gotta give it to CJ Perez for the flack he got in the past
Okay,
games. CJ Perez played well, 'di ba? In defense and offense,
he
he was
played well
doing well.
even today.
Hindi siya dinaga. And actually was one of our best performers if you ask me, CJ Perez.
Even today, he was
Even
fighting.
today nga, oo nga.
Dude,
So past
dude.
three games, he was okay. Past three talaga.
Two, two.
This game, Georgia, okay din siya.
Ayun, two. Latvia
Ay,
helped
two
a lot.
pala, the past two games pala. Yeah, sa Latvia dun siya parang nabash lang. Nabash ba siya ng Latvia game ng mga tao? Or hindi naman, dahil
Not
panalo
as much
tayo.
as the Poland
Ay,
games.
hindi nabash siya nung tune-up games.
The shooting is nabash.
Oo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ayun. And you must say the future has to be bright, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
it's very much. A goal
you,
pa rin is the Olympics. LA Olympics.
yeah, tama. At that point, JB
Hinog
would
na
be
yung...
40, 40
Sorry,
na?
who?
How old would JB be at that point? Isn't he like,
40. He's gotta be 40. Benny Boatwright na siguro by that time. Benny na yun. Benny Boatwright na
oh my
siguro.
goodness. Oh my
And
goodness.
Benny Boatwright will be 30 that time. So he's young. Benny will be 30. Mga bata natin. Kai will be like
I will
25,
be
26.
I will be entering his prime. AJ would
Lahat
be
sila. Halos lahat sila. KQ din. Lahat
uh,
halos pa.
KQ, Carl, also shout out to Carl Tamayo.
Yeah, shout out to Carl Tamay. I
Shout
love the
out to Carl
fight pa rin
Tamayo.
from Carl.
We
Lumalaban till the end.
Yeah, we forget how what a star Carl Tamayo was when he was in
Mm.
UP. He's showing it out right now. Carl Tamayo, shout out to him. Big time player talaga. And shout out to
Si
the whole
Nunu by that time will be all, ano na eh, mataas na rin yung age ni Nunu. Mata-transition na siguro yung mga point guards pa. Ang dami nating point guards eh. Kaya
may
hindi
mga
naman
point
parang,
who would be our point guards by that Olympics kaya.
sino
Uh
kaya? SJ,
maybe
Abarien. Maraming pwedeng pagpipilian.
Jerome, maybe Jerome could be back.
Jerome, sa defense si Jerome.
Oh yeah, you're right. You can yeah, I see that. I see that. Anyway,
Ako
moving
feel ko Padrigao could be a choice. Fortski 6 flat. May defense si Fortski na sa 3. And we're talking about developing these guys from now to 2028. So Fortski is a candidate.
yeah.
Uh, RJ, SJ,
Yeah, and even in bigs, dude, di tayo nagkukulong sa bigs.
marami rin tayo bigs.
Yeah, we have big
Arvin's a wing, di ba?
Arvin Tolentino, who I think could have been in this lineup as well. Kai and AJ at that point will be really, really
Kay
there.
AJ. Hindi si
And
Edu, bro. Natatakot ako sa tuhod ni Edu.
yeah, man, you would
Pero
wish to have.
bata pa siya, wait. AJ, Edu, age.
Bata pa
Like,
yun, boy.
alam ko,
But
pero like, AJ. Oh, he's only 24. So by that time, sana naman di ba masyado basag yung tuhod niya? 28.
yeah, ayun. But at the end, we still gotta give props, right? Coach Tim was prepared very well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
For the Olympics. We could argue that in all games we had a chance to win. We could even say in all three games we should have won, right?
They still made
um,
us proud, though. They still made us proud.
yeah, yeah,
What an experience beating Latvia was. That was one of a kind.
yeah. That night was
That
insane.
night, hindi ako makatulog. Oh, fuck.
That
Nag-record tayo, di ba? Kasi sa akin, hindi ako makatulog. Tara, recordin natin.
I think right now people will just kind of feel a bit there'll be some sort of sadness to it kasi
Oo,
syempre
sayang. Parang
grabe yung
Cinderella
ginawang
runs done.
expectation. Isipin mo yun, from the expectation of okay, alis tayo maaga to the expectation of oh, we should have beat Brazil. Grabe,
Olympics! Olympics!
yeah.
And maganda rin
Grabe.
the first half. We were leading by 6. So people were like, we're good. We're good.
Um, 11, brother, 11. You really at some point you're leading by 11.
We were 1
But
point leading 11, but the third quarter, bro, 24-6. That was the
yeah,
killer right there. That decided the game for me.
yeah,
I was like, oh shit.
yeah, shooting, offensive rebounding. We talked all about it. And yun nga, I really think it has something to do with being tired na rin talaga.
Mm-mm.
But they fought like hell. They fought like hell. JB deserves all the props in the
Yeah,
world.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely.
JB,
JB became a favorite ng mga fans, not just Filipinos, mga nanonood rin na
oh
ibang
yeah.
nations.
Right, isn't he still leading the fan vote MVP right now?
Hey, siya na ngayon.
Something. Hats off again to even the other members, CJ, Chris.
Oh,
Uh,
they all did well. Like, give props to
they all
everybody.
yeah. It
So,
was
pahinga na sila
it was
kasi
way
PBA
more like
season is in a month.
it was way more than what
It,
people were expecting. So I
yeah.
think after a while, after the sadness will die down a bit, makita ng mga tao na wow, we were actually able to compete and actually we may be heading in the right direction na, right? We actually may be heading in that right direction of finally competing in the basketball scene, which we've been aiming to do for the past years, right? So really big props to them. Really big props to them.
Did you expect KQ to at least play more than 5 minutes a game? Or
Oh,
no, this is like you expected na ganito, na ito yung rotation na mangyayari.
I'm more
Ano,
surprised
or you
na
expected, kasi si Carl actually kind of played over KQ, no? So parang it's either one of the two. Oh, nga, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I was gonna say the same thing. I was more surprised that I thought they would get like maybe equal minutes.
Actually, feel ko mga 10-10 at least, di ba? Pero Carl kind of ate some of those minutes. I mean, iba pa rin yung 6'8" to
Yeah.
6'4" of KQ, 6'4", 6'5".
Oo, and improvement ni Carl. Plus, ayun, uh, what is this? KQ's been running the games for the past for the past like 2 or 3 months nonstop, right? KQ's been running
Sa
hella games.
personal suggestion ko, I gotta lay low on the Panalay games. I mean, we need those legs for games that actually matter.
Ligang labas. To
Just
be
I
fair,
I love that guy. I mean, we're
yeah,
friends, but
me too. Yeah, big
yeah.
fan. Yeah, big fan nga tayo, dude. We made a whole ass
Yeah,
video
di ba? We had our whole dedic 1 hour video.
about that.
Pinili natin siya over these guys sa PBA.
Yeah.
Wait, pero hindi ko binabawi yun. I'm just saying na those games, yung Panalay games, might take a toll on his knees.
Yep.
Semento pa yun.
Yep.
And of course, he wants to put on a show. Kasi, di ba? Like, if you, di ba? Pag pupunta ka doon, you
Yep.
wanna make sure that the crowd doesn't get disappointed. Pero, come on, bro. The nation needs you more than those guys.
I was genuinely surprised that Carl was playing more than KQ because KQ seems like a Coach Tim guy, right? KQ really felt like a Coach Tim guy. But
Yeah.
probably something in the practices, probably has something to do nga with the height. Mas malaki talaga si Carl. Medyo mas mabigat si Carl. So, ayun, probably why. And I think you can argue right now na Carl packs more of an offensive punch.
Oo, at 6'8" talaga eh. And
Yeah.
he's getting quicker na sa perimeter. Hindi na siya post player.
Yeah, he has shooting. Um, he can defend decently from 1 to 4.
Mm.
And KQ is a very good passer. KQ also has shooting. KQ can
Pero
also defend.
handles niya ata kailangan niya ayusin yung handles niya.
And
Right?
again,
And I think he
6
needs to be a 2 in the international game. He can't be a 3.
exactly. So baka di pa siya sanay dun sa
Oo. Masasanay
that,
rin yan.
that he should be playing. Pero
Mm-mm.
masasanay yan. For the longest, for the next few years, the names will be the same. We'll have the same names in that Gilas program for the next few years. You'll have Carl Tamayo, Kevin Kimbao, Kai Soto, AJ Edu.
It's a good
Uh,
core.
yeah, very good core. Very, very good
I
core.
just hope si Calves
And I hope
gets
Calvin.
better.
Yeah, I mean, alam natin kung gaano ka-shooter si Calvin, guys. Alam natin kung gaano ka-shooter si
Scary yan sa
Calvin.
PBA.
Guys, sa PBA, pag iniwan mo yan ng isang segundo, pasok na yan. Legit. It's just na maybe in the international stage, he hasn't been able to show it yet. Pero pag napakita na ni Calvin yon, it will be a lot easier for Gilas. The core for Gilas right now is very, very good going into the future. We can really say that. I don't know if you consider Dwight Ramos and June Marsh still part of that core, considering yung age nila
Oh, by the
pareho.
time, by the LA Olympics, wala na sila. They would have passed the torch na to the younger generation.
Ilan taon na ba si Dwight?
Though it's young, bro. Wait. 25? Dwight Ramos' age. He's like 25. He's 25. He's
Oh,
so
that was
young.
25. Damn, that's so young, bro. And
Yeah.
he's the second best player on the team. My boy, Dwight
Actually,
Ramos.
he's the second best player on the team. So Dwight will be
Dwight will
a
be
dead.
part of the core. Yeah.
Mm.
Uh, it's gonna be. Hopefully, we can keep building on this. I think we can both agree on that. I
Grabe
I,
si Dwight.
I don't
Imagine mo
know because
nag-Ateneo yan. Imagine mo kung nag-Ateneo yan. Sabi natin walang pandemic. Ateneo yan, sure. Champion Ateneo hanggang 2023.
oh, grabe yung
22.
Dwight Ramos.
Gagi,
Grabe.
Dwight Ramos. Ilagay mo sa Ateneo.
Sabay mo pa kay Kwame, pati kay ano. That's
Oh, third. Eh, hindi, wait.
in
Not third, not third.
But I don't
Yeah,
think
imagine mo Fortsky, Dwight, Dave, Ildefonso. Putik na
do you
lineup
think
yan.
Dave goes to Ateneo if Dwight goes?
Oh,
You still
kasi
think Dave goes?
pwede naman sila mag 2-3. UAP naman yan. Di naman international game yun eh.
Di ba mamuyak ka
Pilitin mo.
pa?
Wala na si aalis na si Mamuyak by then. Aalis na
Andyan
nga
pa
sila,
siya
di
nun.
ba?
Andyan pa
Di
siya nun.
season 84
Ay, oo nga,
kasi,
sorry, sorry, tama, tama.
'di ba?
Oo nga,
Ay
sorry.
hindi kasi oo nandun pa si Mamuyak.
Oo, dyan pa si Mamu kasi that's the time UP won the
O
championship
di
eh.
gawin mong 3 si Mamu. Lagyan mo sa 2 si Dwight. Even though mas malaki si Dwight kay
Position?
Mamu.
For si Dave? Anyway,
No,
anyway.
Dave was already wait, Dave was in season 84. In the
Okay,
season 84 team.
they've played with
Di
fourth.
sina Dwight kasi prior to the pandemic, sa team B na sila eh. They were just riding out the residency na maglalaro noong 2020. Pero di ba things change. So, I don't know. That's a what if lang naman scenario. But still, going back to Gilas, we have a bright future. Hindi, it's not like,
Hell,
oh, it's the end of the world. This is our chance. Hindi naman
even
ganun.
some players right now who are like in the PBA who are probably gonna take those some spots.
Marami pa, madami.
We just brought up Dave. Dave could possibly come back to the Gilas roster. We haven't brought up Renza Bando. We haven't
Oh yeah,
brought up
Renz is in the, well, I hope he's in consideration for the pool. Heading din, tinawagan na rin ng coach Tim eh.
Jordan Heading, RJ Abarientos. So many up and
Maganda
coming.
mga guard rotation na. Hindi ako natakot sa guards natin.
So many up and coming.
Ito Mario, before we end this podcast, we're gonna face uh FIBA Asia qualifiers. We're gonna face New Zealand. I expect a win now after what we have seen here. If we lose to New Zealand, it's gonna be disappointing. Even though na technically mas mataas ranking nila sa atin. Pero after showing, di ba nga ito sa OQT na kaya pala eh. So, tataas expectation ng fans. And of course, it's warranted, right? For us to assume na we should beat New Zealand.
Yeah, okay. When's that?
November pa. November pa naman.
Healthy na.
Matagal na yung next international play natin. November pa. Noon tayo,
May,
Phil Sports ulit yun. Phil Sports ulit yun.
may classification games ba yung ano? Yung OQT?
Wala
Wala na.
na. Uwi na yan. Uwi na sila. They're gonna go home na.
Okay,
Tapos na.
that's fine.
Ano mo classification? It's just for the ticket. Parang pakina.
True. I
Mag-forfeit na
forgot.
Pilipinas kung gano'n uwi na kami.
Yeah. Anyway, right now, yeah, the feeling sucks. But guys, at the end of the day, y'all were not expecting these guys to be any close to where they are right now.
Yeah, yung initial goal natin was keep it to
Keep it
10 against
close.
Latvia.
Keep it respectable. We kept saying keep it respectable.
Mm.
And dude, we're heading in the right direction now, and that's a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much guys for listening. Our next podcast with Mario will be on Monday. We're gonna have the PBA mock draft, the much awaited. Marami na nakuha ang comments, marami na nakuha ang messages both on TikTok and YouTube to kailan kayo gagawa ng mock draft sa Monday. And we're gonna do the first 2 rounds only kasi medyo nakakatamad na gawin yung third round and ano, what only matters is the first 2 rounds. But we can give our honorable mentions after the draft. But this is gonna be a deep class. It's gonna rival most of the past good ones. And for sure we're gonna enjoy this list. And I think magkakaiba kami ni Mario. I think starting from the 5th pick, mag-iiba na yan sa amin, feel ko. Kasi I think the first 5.
Magkaiba na tayo.
So after first 2, you think after
Basta
the
sure
first
ako
2
first pick same tayo.
Ay, oo. Walang
Second pick, di ko pa sure. Di ko.
Cedric.
Cedric ka?
Oh, okay. May Monday pa. May 2 days pa from now. But yeah, yan, teaser yan. Anyway, again, YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. While for Spotify, follow. And see you all next time.
Congrats,
Laban
Gilas.
Pilipinas. And we'll see you all on Monday. Peace.
Cheers.